Presenting the Kia 2019 Stinger Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.